let's talk about removing flywheels from dirt bikes specifically. Quads, ATVs will be pretty similar to this. The most popular one you're going to run into is this 27 millimeter by 1 left-hand thread. This is going to be all of your pit bikes and the small Honda engines. And a lot of the big Honda engines, all the two-strokes have this style. And it threads on the inside. And you got to turn it left-hand threads till it's in all the way. And this center bolt pushes down on the crank and removes the flywheel. Another common one has the threads on the inside of the flywheel, but they continue all the way down. It's just a straight threaded shaft. And that goes in, pushes on the crank, pops the flywheel off. And Suzuki has a couple of these styles where the threads are just reversed. On the flywheel, they're on the outside. On the puller, it's on the inside. Same idea. Threads on, run the bolt down, pushes on the crank, pops it off. And lastly, it's not very common, but some flywheels just have threaded bolt holes. Put one of these harmonic balancer pullers from the auto parts store on, put the bolts in. There we go. Gosh, that was a scary one. But those really aren't very common. This 27 millimeter is the most common you're going to run into. There's all the pit bikes, all the knockoff engines, all the horizontal Hondas, all the vertical small Hondas. And like I said, most of the Honda two-strokes. I think these are only 15 bucks on eBay. Go ahead and get yourself one. Throw it in the toolbox. You'll be ready for your next project.